Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you could, please give me that thumbs up, the like button, and share this video with others. It'll help the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. We are going to be talking about some new news out there about Lucid Motors. We did have some financial earnings come out today. It's financial statements of Lucid Motors, and it looks very, very good. And I think this company is very strongly positioned to do well in the future. We are going to be talking about that, and I think you're going to learn a lot from this video. So let's jump down into it. We are going to be talking about this article from Barron's. It is titled, Lucid Stock Drops After Unexpected Earnings Release, and it shouldn't. So this Barron's article does mention that Lucid has just come out with its balance sheet and for the second quarter, and it looks very, very good as expected. I did want to point out that Lucid Motors right now, according to the second quarter balance sheet, has $2 billion in cash. They also received $2.4 billion from the private investment in public equity, the PIPE. And so whenever the merger closed with CCIV and Lucid Motors, they did get roughly $4.4 billion on cash on its balance sheet, which is making this the best capitalized EV startup in history. So Lucid Motors right now, it has enough capital, has enough cash on hand to run the company for 1.1 years. And this is according to the analysts and the evaluations that I have looked at of all their market sheets. This is very good news for the company that has not made one profit yet from any vehicles being sold, but they do now have enough capital to run this company without making any sales for 1.1 years, which is very good news for this company. Lucid Motors is doing a fantastic job promoting its vehicles, promoting its studios out there, and they are now going to be building 2.7 million square feet into their Arizona facility to produce more vehicles. So they will be producing more of the Lucid Air vehicles. They will also be producing the SUV Gravity that will be coming out probably middle or late next year for the 2023 model. This is great news for the company. In the year 2022, Lucid Motors does expect that it will ramp up its productions and produce 20,000 Lucid Air vehicles, which will give it a rough estimate of $2.2 billion in sales, which will catapult this company, and it will do very, very good. It does appear that it will be cash-free positive by the year 2025, and you should be getting about 5 to 6 times your money right now, just based on these projections. According to this article, Lucid hopes to generate about $2.2 billion in the year 2022 sales and projects about $23 billion, which is a tenfold increase by the year 2026, which will also translate into your stock. No analysts have launched any coverage on Lucid stock yet, according to Bloomberg, but the good news is that we should start seeing coverage in the coming weeks. So once analysts start reviewing this, I think this stock will get a very big promotion and a big buy from stock analysts, as I believe that this stock is currently very undervalued. Now, according to this article from Investor Place, it's titled, Lucid is severely undervalued right now, but by how much? So the company right now estimates that it will make $23 billion by the year 2026, as I have mentioned. So Lucid Motors, by this article standards, is underappreciated. It is undervalued. So Lucid Motors will be having the deliveries and the vehicles coming out soon, but this vehicle is very highly anticipated, and it does have a lot of demand out there. Currently, Lucid Motors has over 11,000 reservations for its Lucid Air vehicles, and it will be producing 20,000 vehicles in the year 2022. So more than half of these vehicles are already reserved and accounted for, and this is huge demand for the company. I do believe that Lucid Motors management is very strategic and very smart in producing additional workspace, additional facility space that will be able to produce even more vehicles. Later on, it is also looking to expand its facilities in Saudi Arabia, and this will produce vehicles for the Chinese market and the European market. So Lucid Motors is very strategic and very smart, in my opinion. It has learned a lot from moving from Tesla. A lot of the management and automakers are coming from Tesla, as well as other manufacturers out there, such as Ford, Audi, just to name a few. So now let's look at what the LCID stock is worth or should be worth. Well, if we look at the market cap of this company currently, it's setting right around $37 billion. And if we look at the stock price right now, we are getting it at a very, very big discount. According to this analyst, right now the stock was trading about $22.83, but it should be worth more than double that. It should be worth about $43.57 using the equation and the analysis that this analyst did. So currently it is trading a lot lower than it should be. This analyst have done several price predictions in the future, and it does look like this company is very undervalued at this time. I have mentioned in my past videos that the price per sales ratio is very low for Lucid Motors, and it should be quite higher. If we examined it and compared it to Tesla, Tesla right now is trading about 11 times its price per sales ratio. NIO is trading about the same. So right now, Lucid Motors will be trading at 3.75 times its price per sales ratio. And so that's assuming that its sales right now is about 5 times its sales. So we will, once we start getting closer to those deliveries, right now this stock should be valued at $30.44. So you are getting it at a huge, huge discount right now. Once the vehicle announces its future models and starts entering the product, the revenues will start going up, and this will definitely increase this stock price prediction. And according to this analyst, it should be worth right now around $30 to $40. And that goes along with what I've been saying and what I've been thinking. Once we start getting these deliveries out, I believe that this stock will jump very quickly to $30 and it will do very good. Now, transitioning to the stock price, Lucid Motors did end yesterday at $22.56, which is at a huge discount. We did see this stock go all the way up to about $22.70, but it is staying around that $22 mark. If we look in the past 5 days, we have been down almost 10% from a high of about $25 in the past 1 week of trading, and we have gone down and tested that $22.22 was the lowest point. I have been saying that Lucid Motors has right now a very nice solid base at the $22 mark. We'll definitely have to see how this day goes, but anytime the stock has a price under that $23 mark, especially at $22.50, we have a lot of buyers that pack in, which drive the stock price back up, and we are nearing that bottom again. So we'll definitely have to monitor and see this. We have seen the resistance of about $26, $27 in the past month, but mostly, if you can see according to this graph, we have been trading on the lower end, anywhere from below $24 and above $22. Well, we are currently just waiting for that big opportunity for the deliveries to happen, and then this stock will take off, in my opinion. If we do look at Wallet Investors' price predictions, we are looking at a 1-year forecast of about $39, 5-year forecast of $105. Now, this is not including all the deliveries, and currently this is using artificial intelligence that looks back in the past month and just evaluates where the stock is going in the future. As I have said, this stock, in my opinion, has a really good chance of doing very well. I think this company has the technology, has the management to do very well. We are just being patient right now with the deliveries of the vehicles. They will start coming in the next few weeks, possibly a couple of months before we get these deliveries happening. So we are looking probably maybe by the end of September, maybe even at the beginning of October. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye out on that. but I do think that the stock will do very good once it takes off, in my opinion. Please do your own due diligence before purchasing this stock or any other stocks, as I am not your financial advisor. And also, please give me that thumbs up, the like button if you learned something new. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that comment that you subscribed, and hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Thank you again so much for all your support, for joining the channel, and don't forget to grow this channel by sending it to your friends, family, coworkers, that next door neighbor. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.